when it starts like this, do you have it like this?
So if you're taking off?
If you're in the
Oh
air.
yeah, you'd have it like just like this, and that's basically straight and level.
Yeah,
and then if you want to turn, you can switch, go that back and forth. There you go.
Yes, please don't. I don't want to fly off.
Ask me questions. It actually shows you the attitude of your airplane. It's when you drive a car, you can turn left and right, and you can go fast or slow. With this, you can go up and down as well. So what you're looking at there is some ocean. This is showing the ocean, and this is the Gulf of Mexico, and this is Florida.
Oh, it's like a little map.
You can zoom in and out. Like this.
Oh, okay.
See? So that's a 320-mile ring, and we can zoom in to 10, so you can see 5, 7.5, 10-mile rings.
Oh, okay.
What is the max?
The radar's not on right now, but we can see weather. Right now, that's just terrain, and then you're that's basically a GPS.
We'd need a full-blown class for this, buddy. Take a tip out. The other one we can go in. Sheriff one. Good. Why are you calling EJ? Clement.
Nina, come on. Get in. They're so addicted to each other.
Yeah, you really are.
Why is this moving?
Sorry. Say hi.
Say hi to the camera, Bamra.
Oh, look at you. Okay, cool, cool.
I'm driving a helicopter.
Oh, it smells very strong in here. Huh? You want to go all the way to the back? Oh, this is nice space. I can put on one of these. This one is not the one you're going to Washington. I'm pretty sure. Look at all that room space. Ooh. I need this in my life. This is the back that nobody ever goes to. Because this is not where we normally would go through. Yeah, it's pretty dark back here.
That's all good.
It's like a horror movie.
Yeah, that's where they get the coffee and their food. Cappuccino.
Why is it so dark in here?
Cappuccino.
Oh, it's too much. You can't. Why are you scared? You're scared. You need to put the light on. Scariness. Why is there no? Hey, what you doing? Oh. Go, go, go. Why are you so scared, Denzel? You were scared. Huh? It's just a tray. Come here. Let's let them.
There's nothing.
That's how the TV comes out. There you go. Oh snap.